Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot open and use any apps on TCL Smart TV. And to do this, here let's try to open YouTube, because as you can see there's some major problems on this TV. Okay, so we have YouTube. And it basically doesn't work. Now to fix this, we'll need to click on the gear icon on our remote, then click on OK and then navigate to System, enter date and time, and here enable automatic date and time synchronization. We can go back and try to open YouTube again. It should work fine now, but we might as well need to give it a few moments till all the time settings synchronize. But it seems it works fine now since I can log in. And yep, we can play any video. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.